The Built Card is the first card that every renter should have in their wallet because this card earns points on rent. It has absolutely no competition. So we have to talk about the sign-up bonus, the earnings, the benefits, and so much more. And soon I'll show you one feature that helps the Built Card rival high-level premium travel cards from Chase and Amex. And don't forget to pick up your 12 free credit limit increase hacks cheat sheet plus airline transfer partner lookup tool in the link down below. These will definitely come in handy on your award travel journey. First, I'll talk about the sign-up bonus. So as of posting this video, the Built Card does not have any sign-up bonus, which I think puts it at a great disadvantage to other rewards cards. Now, I know a welcome offer isn't the only thing to look forward to in a card, but let's be real, they can be a pretty sweet incentive to help us earn rewards quickly. And these days, it's pretty standard for cards to offer a sign-up bonus, especially for those of us with good credit. You can usually find offers for $200 or more with cards that don't even charge an annual fee. To understand how big of a deal a sign-up bonus can be, let's do a thought experiment. Let's say you have two cards, card A and card B, and card A has a higher rewards rate of 2% cash back on all purchases, but no sign-up bonus. Card B has a lower rate of 1% cash back on all purchases, but comes with a sign-up bonus of $200 when you spend a certain amount within the first 90 days of account opening. If you're someone who spends, let's say $10,000 a year on the card, card A would earn you $200 cash back per year, while card B would earn you $100 cash back per year. Adding in the bonus for card B would earn you a total of $300 cash back in the first year though. So it would break even in the second year and take over 2 full years for the higher rate of card A to surpass the initial bonus of card B. So while the Built Card may be an excellent option for renters, the lack of a welcome offer is something to keep in mind. Considering that, I scored the Built Card a 1 out of 5 on the sign-up bonus category. Up next, I'll talk about the earnings. Being a MasterCard, you can use your Built credit card anywhere MasterCards are accepted. And here's the best part. When you use it to make purchases, you'll earn rewards. Specifically, you'll earn 3 points per dollar spent on dining, 2 points per dollar spent on travel, and 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. Most of all, you'll earn 1 point per dollar spent on rent up to 50,000 points annually. That means if you spend $2,000 on rent, you earn 2,000 points straight, no hassle. And no other card on the market lets you do this but the Built Card. So it's truly one of a kind in that respect. And let me just dwell on this for a moment because this is easily the card's standout feature. After all, you could use any other credit card to pay your rent and pay 2 to 3% in transaction fees. But with the Built credit card, you pay 0 processing fees. That's right, 0, nothing, nada. This is what makes the Built Card so compelling because it completely avoids those fees. Now, just a heads up, there are a couple of restrictions to keep in mind when using the Built MasterCard. First, you can only earn rewards for rent payments made to one rental property per month. And second, you'll need to use the card at least 5 times during your statement period to earn the maximum number of points. If you don't hit the minimum required monthly transactions, you'll only earn a flat rate of 250 points when you pay your rent. So just make sure you're using your credit card enough and keep track of which rental property you're making payments to, as this will ensure you make the most out of your rewards. And I think it's not a steep requirement and there's no minimum purchase amount stated, but it means that you'll have to use the card for more than just rent each month to earn the rewards. I'll go as far as to say it's a small price to pay to earn rewards on rent, which is something that most credit cards don't even offer. Plus, it's so easy to set up a few small recurring payments for streaming services or Amazon gift card reloads. They make it very simple to meet this requirement. And oh, another thing, anyone can join the Built Rewards program for free, but if you want to really boost your rewards, you want to get your hands on the Built MasterCard itself. Here's the deal. If you live in a rental unit that's part of the Built Alliance, there are more than 2 million units across the US managed by companies like the Blackstone Group, Equity Residential, and more, and you can pay your rent directly in the Built Rewards app and earn points for doing so. But even if you don't live in a Built affiliated property, you can still use the app to pay your rent for free, and your landlord will receive a paper check in the mail from Built. However, remember that you won't earn rewards this way unless you also have the Built MasterCard. And I must also mention this, as a holder of the Built MasterCard, you can earn double points on the first day of every month, also known as rent day. This means that on rent day, you can earn 6 times the points on dining purchases, 4 times the points on travel purchases, and 2 times the points on all other non-rent spending. But keep in mind, you will still earn 1 point per dollar on rent payments. But it's worth noting that there's a cap of 10,000 Built Rewards points that can be earned per rent day. So what's the final score? Because this card is offering a revolutionary new way to earn points on rent, I have to score it a perfect 5 out of 5 on earnings. Moving ahead, let's look at the redemption options. options. So you can redeem points earned from the Built program in various ways, including rent, future home down payments, fitness. You can redeem points for classes with SoulCycle, Rumble, and more, home decor, and curated art. And according to Built, the value of points applied towards rent will differ depending on the specific building and management company. But all said, the most popular redemption option has to be the transfers to airline and hotel partners at a 1-to-1 ratio. Speaking of which, Built partners include Air Canada, Aeroplan, Air France, KLM Flying Blue, American Airlines, Pacific Asia Miles, Emirates Skywards, Hawaiian Airlines, Turkish Miles and Smiles, United Mileage Plus, Virgin Points, IHG Rewards, and World of Hyatt. Now, considering the variety of redemption options and valuable partnerships such as American Airlines and Hyatt, I scored this card an outstanding 5 out of 5 on redemption options. Let's now move on to benefits. First is elite status. Did you know that you can earn some sweet extra perks as a Built Rewards member? So depending on your status tier, you could be eligible for bonus points. The more points you earn in a year, the more benefits you can unlock in the tiered program. So the blue tier gets you 25,000 points earned at most. Silver gets you 25,000 to 49,000 points earned. Gold is 50,000 to 99,000 points, and platinum is 100,000 or more points earned. As a silver member of the Built Rewards, you can earn interest on your points. Each month, you will receive bonus points as interest calculated based on your average daily points balance for each 30-day period. The interest rate is tied to the national savings rate from FDIC. It may not be significant, but it's an additional benefit of being a cardholder. Next is travel insurance. The Built card is unique among no annual fee travel cards in that it offers travel insurance to begin with. So as a cardholder, you can receive up to $5,000 in trip cancellation and interruption coverage in case your trip is interrupted or canceled due to a covered event. Moreover, there is trip delay reimbursement of up to $200 per day and $1,800 in expenses for all covered people on the trip that is delayed for at least 6 hours. The card also includes an auto rental collision damage waiver, providing coverage in case the rental car is damaged or stolen. Considering all of these, I must say that this card really gives you peace of mind and cost-saving benefits when you're traveling. And I gotta add, you also get cell phone protection. The Built card offers cell phone insurance coverage as an additional perk, which will reimburse you up to $800 for repairing or replacing your cell phone in case of damage or theft. This coverage goes beyond the $600 coverage and $50 deductible offered by many other rewards cards. The coverage comes with a $25 deductible and a maximum of 2 paid claims per year. This benefit can provide extra peace of mind and protection on your device, especially when you're traveling. Next, you get the World Elite MasterCard Concierge. I love that the Built card comes with a concierge service that offers 24/7 expert assistance to cardholders in various areas. The service can be especially handy when it comes to travel planning, finding gifts or making dinner reservations, and even having someone at your house for appliance deliveries in case you cannot be there. If nothing else, it provides an added convenience, making your life easier and more manageable. It even comes with a DoorDash credit. As a cardholder, you can enjoy a complimentary 3-month trial of DashPass. During this trial period, you can take advantage of exclusive perks such as no delivery fee on all of your orders and a 5% credit for orders you pick up. Additionally, you will receive $5 off your first order every single month. However, once the trial period ends, the regular rate of $9.99 per month will apply unless you decide to cancel the service. Lastly, but not least, you will get Lyft credits, and that's monthly if you meet the requirements. So with this list of benefits, I scored the Built card 4 out of 5 in benefits. And if you're getting value, please hit the like button. And to learn more about the Built card and take the next step to earning points on your rent, you gotta hit the link below. So now that you know the benefits, let's talk about the rates and fees. When you own a Built card, you won't have to worry about any annual fees, which means you will start earning rewards at no cost from the moment you start using it. Plus, you won't have to pay foreign transaction fees when using your card abroad. When you first open your account, you'll be charged an introductory balance transfer fee of 3%, but this only lasts for 120 days from account opening. After that, it becomes 5%. If you're looking to pay off debt, a better option might be a balance transfer card with a long 0% intro APR offer. With this card though, you'll be charged a variable APR of 20 to 23 to 28%, which is fairly typical for rewards cards. To maximize your rewards and avoid the risk of falling into debt, it's best to pay off your statement balance in full each month. Some top rewards cards have APRs as low as 14%, and credit union cards can even go lower than that, saving you a lot of money over time when paying off large balances, if you carry a balance that is. Away from that, the Built card has other common credit card fees such as a late payment fee and a cash advance fee, which are typical for most credit cards. To completely avoid these fees, it's best to make payments on time and avoid taking cash cash advances. Because there are no annual or foreign transaction fees, but still a slightly higher APR, I scored the Bilt card a 4 out of 5 on rates and fees. I have to let you know, based on data points from some card holders, that the Bilt card was recently affected by a global fraud ring that targets banks, including Wells Fargo, which issues the Bilt card. The team at Bilt says customers will not be liable for any fraud whatsoever on the account, and Wells Fargo is reaching out to affected customers and providing assistance to resolve the issue quickly. Also, I've been told by several audience members that the Bilt customer service team is exceptional and gave them greater confidence in the product. So how does the Bilt card compare to other cards? The Bilt card is clearly a winner when it comes to using a credit card to pay your rent. In that respect, it's definitely a one of one with no competition. It's also one of the few no annual fee cards that allow you to transfer your points, which is a huge value add. This gives it an edge over other cards that don't allow you to transfer rewards until you sign up for some high annual fee travel card. I mean, you know the usual suspects with $500 to $700 in fees per year. Besides that, the Bilt card does not charge foreign transaction fees, which is an added benefit compared to the majority of no annual fee cards on the market. Some other cards compete better in offering a higher base level earnings rate on all purchases, unlike the Bilt card, which only offers rewards in specific categories like travel. I also have to say that a good number of no annual fee cards offer a sign-up bonus of around $200, while the Bilt card does not have that feature. But since the Bilt card lets you earn points in a completely new way that has never been seen before when paying rent, I think it's a good trade-off. Now for my final verdict. I feel the Bilt card is an excellent choice if you want to take advantage of its main feature, which is paying your rent using a credit card without incurring any transaction fees. The card has additional benefits such as transferable points, elite status, and the ability to save up interest earning points for a down payment on a home. These features can be attractive to renters looking for an easy way to earn and use rewards without paying an annual fee. Even so, to get maximum value out of this card, I suggest that you pair it with another rewards card or even multiple rewards cards to ensure that you're doing everything you can to reduce the cost of travel or save up money for your dream home. The Bilt card has you covered in a couple of categories like rent and travel, but you still need to pick up a nice general spend card that covers all of your other bases. That's where my favorite flat rate 2% card comes in, so check out the SoFi credit card in the next video to learn how it simplifies your card setup. Thank you for watching.